What's up? What is going on? Welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be sharing with y'all the top 10 best Netflix shows according to me. And I have binge watched all these shows at least 3 times. I binge watch a lot of shows, but these are my top 10. So the first one is Friends. I think everyone knows and have watched Friends. If y'all have not watched it, what are y'all doing? It is one of the best sitcoms. It is worth all the hype that it gets. I've watched all 10 seasons, every second, 4 times. Yeah, call me crazy. So the next one is Brooklyn Nine-Nine. Oh my god, I love Andy Samberg. He is so funny and I really enjoyed watching it. I think I am watching it right now for the 5th time, I guess, and I can't get enough of it. I actually wanted to be a detective after watching the series. So the next one is The Vampire Diaries. And if y'all like a supernatural fanatic like me, y'all will love this series. It is super fun and so intriguing. It is one of the best supernatural series I have watched. I will binge watch all 8 seasons again and again. That's how much I love this series and I think y'all should watch it. The next series is Too Hot to Handle. In the series there are like some hottest girls and guys. They come together in this resort type place and they are made to stay there for a while where they can't do it, or they can't touch or hug or kiss and do all that sorts for a prize money. And if someone does do something, then a specific amount of money gets cut from the prize. And it is super fun to watch, like people just failing at keeping their hands off each other. It's kind of like a show, like a Netflix reality show. So the next show is Teen Wolf. Teen Wolf is about these 2 guys who are like losers, but then something happens in their life and just changes, and there's a lot of teen drama and supernatural mixed together. It's a really good series to binge watch. Oh my god, I had to put this in. Jane the Virgin is so close to my heart. It is such a cute series where this girl is artificially inseminated with another man's sperm, and I think you should go watch it. It's a very funny and very sweet show. The next show is Alexa and Katie. Alexa and Katie is about these 2 girls, Alexa and Katie, who are dealing with complicated high school lives. I mean, whose life isn't complicated in high school? But there's a twist. Alexa has cancer, so she has more difficulties just coping up at school, and it's a really cute series. I think y'all should watch it. And Alexa and Katie's friendship is to die for. Like seriously, their friendship is so beautiful. So the next one is Gossip Girl. Gossip Girl is just a group of friends who have a lot of drama in their lives. They are fighting with each other, but then they are falling in love with each other. Oh my god, it's just a whole whirlwind of drama and love triangles. It is binge worthy, so go watch it. So the next one is Greenhouse Academy, and I don't think there are a lot of people who have heard about this series. I just found it on Netflix when I was just browsing through. When I watched like the first 2-3 episodes, I wasn't into it that much, but then when I watched more, I got stuck to it. It is so intriguing and mysterious. It's about a brother and a sister who lose their mother when her spaceship crashes. I think the series should get more hype. Last but not the least is Glow Up, which is for all my makeup junkies. It is one of the best makeup related reality shows out there. There's only like 1 season and I binged watched the whole season in a day. Like it was so good. I just couldn't keep my eyes off it. These guys are so talented and they create such beautiful looks. And oh my god, I was so intrigued by their makeup skills and the artistry. If you're a makeup junkie like me, you should go watch it. So that is all for today's video, you guys. I really do love these shows and I binge watch it all the time. Like whatever my mood is, if I'm feeling like laughing, I watch Friends. If I feel like crying, I watch Vampire Diaries. I think it is a lot of fun to binge watch Netflix shows during quarantine because we don't have a lot of things to do. And I hope you like my suggestions. Like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna be doing a movie suggestion soon, so stay tuned for that and keep watching my videos. Okay, bye.